Hi guys, welcome to my channel, Skincare with Deborah Diane. This is where I answer your questions and give you tips and tricks on how to have healthy skin. As I am going to say a lot, and you're going to hear a lot, is that your skin is a communicator of what's going on in your body, what's going on in your brain, and what's going on with your emotions. So it's important to take a look at your skin and find out what is going on, the root cause, and make it healthy, make it shine. Get that inner confidence going right from your skin. Today, we're going to talk about how to stay positive. It has been a whirlwind in 2020 for sure, and it is important to keep that strong, healthy body, mind, and spirit, especially if you could get discouraged or depressed. So we want to stay positive. We want to have healthy habits and not get into those bad habits of doing a lot of baking. We want to make sure that we keep our body moving, even if our favorite gym is closed. So let me give you some helpful hints. The first thing I would like for you to really consciously be aware of is your water intake. Since we're at home, it is very easy to get relaxed. And let's say you're a weekend drinker, but isn't every day a weekend now since we're not working? So we could slip and have a little bit more to drink during the week, perhaps. Unfortunately, it's not going to be that healthy for our bodies. You want to make sure that you are drinking at least half your body weight in ounces of water a day. Okay, sometimes the taste of water is pretty nasty, right? You can zest it up. Zest it up with some lemon, squeeze some orange in there. I use an essential oil. So I have a glass water bottle. It looks like this. And I will use an essential oil. Now, there's a lot of essential oils. I prefer lemon. There's a lot of essential oils out there. I'm not on my channel going to say that one is better than another because really it's about you. If you have a calling towards one essential oil and it works for you, that's what it's supposed to do. So go with it. The one thing that you do have to make sure, especially if you're putting any kind of essential oils into your water or into on the back of your tongue or internally, make sure it has a supplement box. Make sure that it has something like this, that the company has said, yes, you can take this internally. If it doesn't, it may not be pure essential oils, or there may be something in there that the company does not want you to take internally. So just be aware of that if you are going to use essential oils in your food or in your water. That helps me drink water throughout the day. It's almost like a flavored water, and water is essential for keeping that skin healthy. Okay, back to the drinking. You should not be drinking alcohol, strong alcohol, every day anyway, because it's really bad for your health. Special occasions, is fine, I guess, if that's what you want to do. Just make sure that you are doing everything balanced and in moderation. With balance and moderation, let's swing over to the exercise portion of health. How are you keeping your body moving during this time? Okay, if you're drinking a lot of water, you're probably getting up and going to the bathroom a lot, but that doesn't really count unless you're doing squats. Maybe as you get up and down, a couple like 5-10 squats each time you go to the bathroom, that may work. However, since you're not working or going to your favorite gym, definitely take advantage of walking outside. Of course, be conscious of the requirements of 6 feet apart. And if you feel more comfortable wearing a mask, do it. However, there's other things that you can do around your home. A lot of people like yoga and stretching on the floor. I will have a link below for a favorite yoga. It's called Yoga with Adrienne, and she is amazing. And she's very simple and easy for beginners, easy for kids. The other thing to do too is put on your favorite music. Get your music going, get your body going, and dance around your house. If you have dogs, they love it. Cats just stare at you as if you're weird. And I'm sure your kids will either join you or stare at you as if you're weird too, but it doesn't matter. It's about you, and it's about your health and getting that body going. So make sure that you're moving at least 20 to 30 minutes every day, more higher impact than just walking around your house. Okay. I do like the squat to go to the bathroom idea though. I might try that and get back to you. Okay, the other aspect is staying positive, staying happy. How can you do this? There's so much going on. There's so much uncertainty. And if you are a planner like I am, I don't even know why I bought a 2019 or 2020 date book back in 2019. I had this whole thing planned the whole year, months in advance, and all that's gone. It's okay. So what I'm going to do is I like to project. So I think to myself, what have I always wanted to do around my house that I just never had time for? And so keeping myself busy with projects is really helpful. A lineup of books, if you're a reader, even if it's audiobooks. You know, is there a books that you've wanted to do? Is there a subject you've always wanted to learn? You know, whether it's another language. And that helps you have a goal and a focus during this time of uncertainty, is educating yourself. 20 minutes a day, you know, learning another language. The idea is to come out of this more grounded with priorities that are important to you. You know, it's really about that self-reflection time. Another thing that's helped me stay positive, all my family's in Canada and the borders are closed. So I feel very trapped. I feel even more trapped, like if something happened, there's no way I could get to them. But having those video calls, it's more than just texting, more than just phone calls. Seeing them face to face is really important. So keeping in contact with your friends. Don't isolate yourself. Keep those conversations open. Keep those video chats so you see each other face to face. And there's a lot of jokes out there about getting lazy and not showering and stuff like that. But hey, it feels good to look good. So clean yourself up. Do what you would do as if you're going to work, you know, clock in, clock out, get up, shower, eat breakfast, brush your teeth, do your hair, put on some makeup if you want. Deodorant's always a plus, but you know, you are at home. So some things could slide perhaps. And just feel good. Feel good about your day. Get into a habit of making yourself feel good with routine. And I want to answer your questions on skincare, and everything comes through the skin. As I said, the skin is the communicator. So if you have any questions about something that's going on with your skin, go ahead and email me. I have the email down below. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that little button so you can get dinged every time I put out a video. It was so nice talking with you, and we'll see you next time. Bye.